Today is more than a ribbon cutting. It's a statement about who we believe our students are and who we know they are becoming.
I must say that I'm very impressed with the students this morning. They show very much confidence and encouragement and good leadership from this school. And I'm extremely happy to join you all this morning to celebrate something that I like to call innovation.
Really incredibly proud that you all will have innovation at your fingertips. I hope this lab becomes the place where your ideas take shape, where you test your boundaries, learn through failure, and discover the confidence to use your knowledge to make a difference.
When you walk into that room, I want you to stand tall. That lab is sending you a message that you matter and that your ideas are important.
So we believe in service in this space, we believe in honor in this space, and we also believe in to whom much is given, much is expected. So what we're asking our students to do is to take this opportunity and go back, but be great not for the purposes of yourself, be great for the purposes of your surrounding community and the world at large.